Hi, we're here at the Savioke booth with the founder of Savioke, Steve Cousins. Steve, today Newmarket and Savioke announced a partnership between our companies. Share with us a little bit what that entails.
Well, we have a robot that does delivery, and the robot can be instantiated in different ways. And with the HotSOS, basically the hotel staff can easily make the robot do whatever they need it to do. So it takes things from one place to another. HotSOS is a communication mechanism, essentially, to let orders and things get set up, and so we can integrate with that completely.
So Steve, walk me through the relay experience. How does it go from the time I need something to the time that request has been fulfilled?
So as soon as the front desk knows that there's a request, they put the item, let's say it's a toothbrush, into the robot, and then they send the robot to the room number. And all they're doing really is put the item in, type the room number, and say go. And then the robot's off on its way. It gets to the elevator on its own, so it sort of makes its way through the lobby, and then it calls the elevator over Wi-Fi, and then it waits for the elevator, gets in the elevator, always turns around and faces the door, like a good person, follows etiquette. When it gets to the floor, it gets off the elevator, gets out of the way of the guests, anybody's in a rush, and then it goes on to the room. When it gets to the room, it waits outside the door, and it calls the room. So the room phone rings, you hear the person inside will answer the phone and they'll say, there's a delivery outside your door. All this time, since whatever item was put in until it gets to the door, the relay's been locked. So nobody can mess with your toothbrush, or more importantly, steal your French fries.
Oh.
Right? And then once it gets to the door and the door opens, relay sees the door open, then it opens its lid, then you get your stuff, and it was all secure the whole time.
Thanks, Steve. There's the update on the Newmarket and Savioke partnership with HotSOS here at HITECH 2015.